I'm going to show you how you can get small and local business owners to pay you $500 to $1,000 a month for something a brand new person can literally copy and paste. Now, this is the exact same business model. We have helped literally over 1,600 members inside of this free community get started, even if they are 100% new to this business model and business in general. Now, the best part is I don't have a $997 course at the end of this video. As a matter of fact, all the resources, the course, the blueprint, the interactive guide, the weekly coaching calls, the community is 100% free. And I'm going to show you how to access these resources. All you have to do is like this video, share this with a friend or someone that wants financial and time freedom. And more importantly, I want you to comment AI freedom down below, and I will personally send you those resources. Now, if you've been looking for the best side hustle that you can get started to make money as fast as humanly possible, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the entire process. Let's get into it. All right. So what I'm going to show you is how to implement a simple chat widget using this Unfair AI software. Now, it's not just any chat widget. It's an AI chat widget that's going to help any of these local businesses get more leads, get more sales, answer support questions, and more importantly, automate their entire business. Now, let's just get right into it. This is the software I'm using. It's called GoHighLevel. I'm using Funnel Freedom, which is a white label version of GoHighLevel. But in the resources that I'll give you at the end, you can go ahead and use my GoHighLevel link. I'll also link it down below in the description. And this is the software that's going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. Now, what you're going to do here is inside of the software, you're going to go to where it says sites, and then inside of sites, you're going to click on this button here where it says chat widget. Go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to click on this new button right here. All right. So as you can see, there's a ton of different options. We're going to keep this simple. We're just going to click on SMS and email chat. So we're going to click on this. All right. So in this example, I'm actually going to do it with this company called Mop Masters. It's actually a cleaning company that my friend owns. He actually cleans all my Airbnbs, but I looked at the website and I was like, dude, you literally have no chat widget. So I'm going to build one for you. And that's what we're doing in this video. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and name this project here at the top. I'm going to name it Mop Masters Cleaning. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and save that for now. We'll come back to this step. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back, and as you can see, this company already has a website. So we can simply add the chat widget to this existing website. But what you can also do is you can also create a lead generation website that is just for leads. Okay. So this is actually really powerful. If you go ahead and go back to under sites where it says funnels, you can actually create this using AI. Okay. So if you go to new funnel right here, and where it says funnel AI, I can go ahead and hit continue. And then what I could do is create this funnel, this lead generation funnel using 100% AI. So right here, name of the funnel, I'm just gonna put Mop Masters lead funnel business niche. I'm going to go ahead and click on home services. Goal of this funnel page, I'm going to click on generate leads, and target audience, I'm going to hit individuals because this is a cleaning company. So we're targeting individuals. So what we're offering, it really depends on the company itself. So obviously we can offer product or a service package. Typically with me, if I'm doing like a lead generation funnel, I actually like to give away something for free, like a special deal, or maybe a free cleaning if they buy 5 cleaning packages. Something like a lead magnet is what I typically like to do. But to keep it simple, I'm just going to put product and services. And then I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And it's going to go ahead and generate a funnel for me for this business. Now, while it's doing that, again, we can go ahead and add this chat widget to this existing website. But if this business wants to get more leads and they want to start running Facebook ads, typically it's better if they have a lead generation funnel. But I just want to show you the entire process. And as you can see, AI is creating the entire funnel, the graphics, the text, the forms, everything that you need. So I'm going to pause and come back when it's created. All right. So as you can see, within minutes, I now have an entire funnel. Now, the cool thing here is I can tell it to generate a logo if I want, or I could simply just grab the logo that the business already has, go ahead and copy this and then add this to the actual funnel itself. But more importantly, I want to show you how to now add the chat widget to this funnel. Okay, so inside of this funnel that we just built using AI, we're going to go to where it says settings. You're going to scroll down to where it says chat widget. Okay, now you're going to find the chat widget that you just created. So in this case, Mop Masters Cleaning, we can click on this, and now the chat widget is now connected to this funnel. Now let's go ahead and test this out to see if it worked real quick. So I'm just going to click on this button here. This will pull up the page. And as you can see on the bottom right, we now have this chat widget on the actual website. So I could click on this, and now I could go ahead and enter my name, email, phone number, and I could start to ask this widget questions about the company, right? How much are your services? Are you able to clean in my area? Whatever questions that you would have for this company. And the chat widget is actually going to go and answer all the questions. It's going to collect leads. It could even book appointments. Essentially, it takes place of an actual admin worker or an assistant or a receptionist, and it's going to do all of that work for this company. All right, now the cool thing about this funnel is, as you can see, it built a pretty good funnel, even without giving it a ton of information. It built out even price packages, all this stuff ready to go. That way businesses, or this business in particular, can start running traffic and generating leads with this exact same funnel. All right, so the next step here is we're going to go to where it says AI agents. So this is where we can create an agent for our business. Okay, so inside of here, I'm going to go to where it says conversation AI. Now under conversation AI, I can go ahead and create this bot that's going to book appointments. So you can have it do whatever you want, answer Q&A, you can have it do support. But in this particular case, I'm going to show you how to get this bot to book appointments for this cleaning company. Okay, so I'm going to put here Mop Masters booked appointments, and then bot status, I'm going to go ahead and put autopilot for now. And then the supported communication, I'm going to go ahead and just leave chat widget. Everything else we can leave as well if we want, but the main thing is we need that chat widget because that's the one that we are adding on the actual site itself. Now, if we scroll down a little bit right here on the business thing, I'm just gonna put Mop Masters. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. All right, so on the next step here, we're gonna be inside of bot goals. Now, as you can see here, this is kind of where you start to train the bot. So right here in personality, I put something simple like, hey, you're a bot for Mop Masters Cleaning Company. You must be helpful and cheerful. Okay, now the goal, we want the goal to basically book appointments for customers. Okay, just tell it exactly what you want it to do. If it's something else or get sales or help with support, make sure that you tell the bot exactly what it needs to do. All right, so the next step, I'm actually going to go to ChatGPT and ask it, what are the 5 to 7 questions that an appointment booker would ask before booking an appointment with this cleaning company. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and ask ChatGPT that, and then what it's gonna give me, it's gonna give me these questions. I can go ahead and feed it to the bot, and now it's gonna ask these questions before booking the appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy these right here, and then go ahead and add them inside the additional information. And I just added here at the top, before you book an appointment, please ask these questions. And then I could go ahead and paste the questions from ChatGPT. And now we have the questions that it will ask before the bot actually books it. And then right here where it says set up actions, we're gonna click on appointment booking because that's the goal. Now you wanna go ahead and set up a calendar. So I'm just gonna pick a random calendar that I created. This will be done in the calendar section on the software. Hit proceed, and then here's where you can add more options. You can have the bot cancel appointments, reschedule, all kinds of different things that are going to help these businesses even more. I'm just going to keep it as is and hit save. All right, so now that I hit save, I can actually go ahead and test this bot out. So right here on the right, I just said hello, and then it says, hey there, are you looking to book an appointment? I'll say yes. Great. What type of cleaning are you looking for? I'm going to put Airbnb. And then it's asking me, is it a house, apartment? I'm just going to put house, 3 beds, 3 bathrooms. When was the house last clean? I'm going to put 2 weeks ago. I'm going to put 1 time and no special requests. And then yes, they will have easy access. And then it's giving me options. This is great. So I'm going to be like 8 a.m. works, the 23rd of January. And this is completely done. The bot has already scheduled the appointment. Now what happens next is on the back end, the AI bot will actually schedule it here in the calendar inside of the software. So now the cleaning business or whatever business you're trying to help will have these booked appointments pretty much automatically being done for them. All right, so the bot itself is actually doing its job, but if you want to give it more details, if you wanted to know more about the company, you could actually train the bot very easily. So inside where it says bot training right here, you can click on this. And where it says knowledge base, you can actually pull information from the website itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where it says knowledge base here at the top. And what I can do is hit create knowledge base. I'm going to put Mop Masters here, hit create. And then where it says web crawler, I can actually add the website information if this company already has it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add source. I'm going to hit web crawler. And then the URL will just be the URL for the actual company itself. So what it's going to do is essentially it's going to look at the website and it's going to know all of the data based on the website that you gave it. And then what you can do is you can now add this knowledge base within the bot, and now the bot is now answering questions based on the actual company information. So now if I go to conversation AI and click on the Mop Masters booked appointments, I can go ahead and go to the bot training and simply click on the right knowledge base, in this case Mop Masters, and now the bot knows everything about Mop Masters based on the web crawler information. Now the cool thing is if you left something behind or the website doesn't have that information, you could always go back to the knowledge base, click on that company or knowledge base, and we could always add more sources. So as you can see, add source, we can add an FAQ like this service costs this much, or this cleaner will be cleaning your house, or whatever it is, right? Whatever you want to add to it, you can add essentially whatever you want. That way you can build this knowledge base and the bot essentially will become smarter for this business. Now, as I promised, I do have a simple 3-step process where I show you how to find these local businesses, how we actually install the AI software, and how you get paid every single month. Now, I have some incredible resources that I want to show you how to get absolutely free. Now, this right here that you're looking at, this is my AI guide that will actually do everything for you. Not only will it teach you, but it's actually going to walk you through how to find the businesses, what are the scripts that we use, the AI phone system, how to run the video ads, literally A to Z. It teaches you and does everything for you. Now, more importantly, we also created a free community, and inside of this community, we actually have an entire 7-phase program absolutely free that you can get started with. That way you can start this process and start making money as fast as humanly possible. On top of that, if you go to the calendar within this community, you can see we have weekly coaching calls. If you have any questions, or if you have a client that you just onboarded and you want to know exactly what to do, jump on a coaching call and we're going to walk you through the entire process or answer any questions that you have. If you want access to all these resources, again, 100% free. You don't even need a credit card. I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube description down below. It's going to be the first link in the description. And then there's going to be a link where you click on that and then you'll get access to the guide, the community, the course, the coaching calls, absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited to help you on this journey. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.